Honey, do I hear the sound of chicken bones approaching the disposal?
No, you hear the sound of chicken bones being disposed of. Oh! You suddenly want to help me clean up?
You can't just throw everything in there and expect it to disappear. It's not the ocean, Francine.
Burned!
Shut up, Klaus. That wasn't even a burn.
Yeah, Klaus. When I'm burned, I'll let you know. Okay, so no chicken down the disposal, but how about fish?
That's funny. That's making me laugh. And I've decided to join in the joke. Francine, hit the switch.
Okay, we've all had our fun. Now put me down!
If you insist.
Dan, now you're making me laugh. And making me kind of hot.
Help!
That's you.
I guess you can put chicken down the drain.
Sounds like everybody's having a good time.
Yeah, Klaus is in the disposal.
Tell that idiot.
Francine, the meal looks delicious.
Thank you, Klaus. I'm starting a new family tradition of Sunday night dinners.
Wunderbar! Wait, only 4 place settings? Oh, no, that's cool. That's cool. I'm supposed to hang with my chick anyway. She's been bugging me to spend more time with her, and she doesn't exist.
Franny, I need you to run lines with me. I'm going up for a part on a ghost whisperer.
Through her family's living room window?
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. This phone's nervous.
Hello?
Danuta.
Who is this?
Danuta.
Who's calling?
It is me.
What?
Will you go there?
Go where? What?
Do you eat?
What the hell is this?
I've got the money. Danuta.
Klaus, so that was chilling.
I blacked out!
Hey, let's just take the pressure off. Make it a group date. Do you have any friends you could invite?
Do I have any friends? Someone's obviously forgotten about my boy Jurgen.
How could I forget about a guy I caught stealing used Q-tips out of my trash can?
Exactly.